So, back at it. Another Let's Go TV production. We're over here, February 1st, 2023. Over here in the Know Your Land, No Zone home. Saddest thing ever. Just got through seeing. I'm not going to assume that he was homeless, but it pretty much looked like he was homeless. He didn't have on any socks, and he only had Crocs. And guarantee if I had an extra pair of socks on me, I definitely would at least gave him some socks. But yeah, it's very bad conditions, as you can see. 28 degrees right there. I got the traction control off because I wanted to have some fun, which we already did a video of in the empty parking lot. We drifted a couple corners, but that's pretty much how everything is looking right now. So far today, you ain't got to worry about nothing. The ice is melting, the snow is melting, as you can see right here. So you can pretty much look. I'm going 49, but I'm sure that, all right, now that was a little bit slippery, but I'm sure that these bridges, that's gonna be where that's the trouble area. It's the bridge. Anytime you see the bridge or underneath the bridge, that's when all that ice is gonna hit. But yeah, so as you can see, it's not as bad. Now I don't know why he's hitting the brakes, but that's the worst thing to do. Just let your car go with the flow. If you start spinning, turn your steering wheel the direction of the spin, please. Don't try to fight it and go back the opposite direction. You're only making it worse. You're only making the car want to go straight. But anyways, yeah, it's just wet pavement. It's not. There's some ice in certain spots, but it's not really like bad, you know. So anyways, I'm just gonna commentate on the way to Arlington from downtown Fort Worth. We'll just go ahead and give y'all the show, just like we did a couple years ago when they did the same ordeal, maybe even last year, when we were drifting the Lexus. So far we already drifted the Lexus, we drifted the red Tesla, the blue Tesla, the yellow Corvette, the white Jag, and the ATV. Now that would have been the perfect area right there to go ahead and do tricks and all kinds of stuff. Right there. Yeah, see, this ain't bad. But I know on the news today I did see where I believe it was 114 out there in Arlington, where there was a bunch of people that was crashing over that bridge. And it was particularly only the middle lane of where that was going down at. So as long as you don't get in that lane, which is a fast lane, and you stay in this lane, in that lane, you're okay, because it's just wet ground. Now over there, yeah, a little bit slip and slide. But anyways, yeah, so that's all that's working out. So hopefully I don't get too quiet on y'all. I'm gonna try to, talk as much as I possibly can, because I know videos get extremely boring when you're not really hearing any sound or somebody talking. So we're just gonna give y'all the landscape. So over here, my town, Funky Town, aka Fort Worth, Cowtown, everything else. Yes, we do ride horses in the street, at the park, in front of the police building. So yes, that is all true, but it is not just like that. It's not just ground and hills. No, we still have pavement. Yes, we still got Walmarts. So don't be thinking it's just straight country and we don't have like doors and we only have barnyard doors. No, it's regular. Okay. So glad y'all able to see, not only do we have normal stuff plus the horses, we also have electric cars. Tesla. So the only thing about it is, in a Tesla, you will deplete 40 to 60%. So whatever it says, you need to add or subtract 40 to 60% due to the fact that it's lithium ion batteries. They do not like cold at all. Just like your laptop or your cell phone, leave it out in the cold and that thing would deplete extremely quicker than when it's hot in comparison. So right now we're doing about 60. All right, so I do feel a couple spots in here where it is slipping a little bit, but remember, I do have the traction control off. Now they just pushed on the brake. I don't know what that's about, but that is the worst thing to do. So I don't know if they're gonna try to help them or what's going on. But yeah, he definitely is pushing on the brake for no reason. I don't even know why he just did that. That was stupid. Anyways, I guess he was trying to slow down the exit, as I can see right there in the rearview mirror. But yeah, other than that, no crashes, none of that. So y'all keep on looking out for our other videos. We upload daily or weekly, depending on how everything is going. Got plenty of videos though. We have items for sale as well, and we run the raffle on them. So y'all be sure to check that out. If y'all ever want to purchase the item or anything, just send a comment or call the number 682-239-1470. Y'all can reach me at any time. It's better to call than to text. I only seen one car right over here. It's on the side of the road, so it's actually not too bad. We got the ambulance truck right here. That's behind this car. Let me zoom in for you. There goes the ambulance truck right there, just in case. Now they are slowing down a little bit too much, so we're gonna have to go around them if we can. Oh no, bad idea. Yeah, we're slipping way too much, so we're not gonna do that one again. And then I'm sure that he's probably pissed, like, come on, man. But anyways, yeah, I was trying to get around him, in all fairness. Yeah, not up the hill with the traction control off. Not a smart idea on my end, on my part. But anyways, so now we're over here by the hood, the real hood. In Fort Worth. This is called Bridgewood Drive coming up. You stay out here. Everything else is where stuff be going down at, but it's all good. I lived over here for several years in several different apartments, so it's pretty nice though. Yeah, I don't know what this car got. Turn this down. Sorry if that noise was annoying. Yeah, so look. Yeah, hit it. Yeah, so he thought he was going to be able to do what I thought I was going to be able to do, and evidently no. So even the ice cream truck, I mean the ambulance truck, even he was. Now look at that. Yeah. And then look, we got the big old dually, and we got a Ford Raptor coming up. Both of them, whoa, both of them coming up. Yeah. And then that white SUV decided to go ahead and get back into the lane. This Raptor's taking it like a champ. Look at this car all the way over there. How in the world did he get over there? Oh, that explains it. It's a Honda. For some odd reason, people in Hondas, they just, I don't know what it is. They swear up and down. It's like, I don't know, like they're the fastest car or something. They can just do anything. Anyways, here we go. Look at that Ford Raptor taking it like a champ. Wow, look at, oh! He over here squirting on me. Squirt, squirt. He's sliding. Oh shit, we sliding. Damn. This is the worst situation to be in. If anything happens to this Raptor, we got this big old 8,000. No, I'm exaggerating. It's at least over 6,000. Over 3-ton truck behind us, the big dually with the grill guard. Oh yeah, that's it. It's just good that we in the Tesla, so we ain't gotta worry about that too much. Yeah, that Raptor taking it like a champ. But look at how tall this sediment is right here on the side from all the snow and everything else. That is crazy. Yeah, of course I could go faster if I turn the traction control back on, but there's no point. I'm already going like 65, 64. So, whoa. Oh yeah, definitely feel it. Now, another reason why we're feeling it is because there's bumps on here, or dips, small hills, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I feel it swaying side to side, back and forth, all in the rear end. That's where it's off, where I'm feeling it all at. Now, I don't know what this fool is gonna do, but I'm hoping. Getting out the lines, but it slid out the lines though. Oh no, he's stranded stuff. Yeah, we ain't got a truck. It's been perfect for the ATV, but it's raining, so we would get soaking wet. Getting soaking wet in this weather, 28 degrees, I don't think so. Frostbite everywhere. So, to show y'all the landscape, East Chase. All right, there goes your CarMax, your Sam's Club, and the Hood Walmart, which is amazing. If you're in the Hood Walmart, the prices are going to be higher than if you're at a Walmart in a very good upscale area, which is crazy. That blows my mind, but that's how they say. The poor get poorer and the rich get richer. Now this truck right here, I'm gonna have to let this dude go by. He's super close, that big old truck. 3,500 big old dually. Sport. It's a 4x4 sport. And he's just squirting all over us. Squirt game. Now, look at how high it's getting. It's getting higher and higher. Look at that. That was at least 3 feet tall. At least. I can't even see. Yup. Should have maintained your speed. Should have maintained your speed. Look at how tall that is, man. Wow. And this dude been driving for a while. You can tell by all that stuff. That grill guard though, he's good. He ain't gonna go nowhere. This truck too heavy. He ain't finna slide. I'm just surprised he ain't got his light bar on. Then we got this Range Rover. Now, I don't know why he going slow. He on a Range Rover. That's what that SUV is made for. Alright, look at that. The water is still coming out. Unbelievable. No copyright loss. Alright. So now we're over here in Arlington. I don't know what this car is thinking. Look at all that snow that they're hitting underneath their front bumper. Their bumper's gonna rip off eventually. Look at her. Oh shoot. Look at us. Oh man, it's hitting the front bumper on us. Let's try to raise up the suspension. Suspension. High, please. Okay. Look over here. There's only one car coming. I don't see nothing else. good. Woo! Woo! All right. That was super cool. Man, I wish we would have had that on the drone. But we got the drone down here. That was super fun. They're probably like, yeah. Oh, he gave me a thumbs up. Thumbs up is better than the middle finger. All right, y'all. I know it's getting close to 16 minutes, so you know that's our cap. I don't want nobody falling off on nothing. But it was a good old drive. We appreciate everything. Appreciate the support. Everything else. Let's get it. Let's go.
Let's get it. Let's go.